How the soup?
Nice. Go on, boil somewhere.
The cow one boil somewhere. Let me try mine. Let me try my soup. Don't try this at home. You cannot eat soup while you're driving on these roads. Although we're in the city now, so the roads are a lot better. The soup tastes good, but when we get to the skin, let's see if the skin cook
Yeah,
yet.
when the skin more you know better, but the cow itself, tough.
Old cow?
Yeah, tough, man. We have to
So
boil
good.
some more, like half hour more.
Okay. Okay, there's an abundance of dumplings, which is good. It's a piece of cow skin there. Okay, good. I look forward to them dumpling there. Nice piece of skin. Tender, but not too soft.